Hey guys, Crank here, and on this episode of Crank's Fab Shop, I'm going to show you what not to do on your LS swapped van. As you can see, this is not fun. Don't do it. We'll be back in just a moment. Alright, we're back. Only had one hand in there. It was a little tight.
That's what she said.
What I'm wanting to show you is something that I wish I'd realized before I put the engine in there. And it's the engine mount. I know what you're thinking. James, that was like one of your first episodes on the LS swap van build was dealing with these. So why are you back at this? Why do I have this out? Well, I'll show you why, because maybe if I show you and you're swapping a van, doing an LS swap in a van, it won't happen to you. I don't know if you can see right there. Right above that bolt hole, a little scuff there. So what that is where the block on the LQ4, the LS that I'm installing, is hitting the engine mount. I didn't notice it until, obviously, I got the engine all the way in, and I actually didn't notice it until I started doing the exhaust work. I think I might have mentioned it on the last episode where I was fixing some fuel rails. Well, here we go. We got it out. And let me tell you, it is a lot easier to get this out, or to get this off, rather, of that LS whenever it's, wait a second, did I say harder or easier? It's a lot harder when it's in the van. Let me tell you that. I'll tell you that right now. It is a lot harder. So as you can see behind me, I've got a jack in there, and I've got the engine sort of just pressed up with that. And yeah, so let's cut this thing. So I've drilled a few holes in it here, or a couple holes in it, as you can see, and then we're just going to take it, put it on the old bandsaw there, and connect the dots. Get that piece out of there. Guys, as you can see, got the engine mount notched out. Should be enough clearance for that block. Now let's just hope I can get this thing back in. I'm gonna go do a little touch-up paint on there. We don't want to leave no bare metal. We've got it sort of, chamfered around there, and yeah. I wish I'd caught this originally, because let me tell you, it was not easy getting this out. Just trying to get to all this stuff while it's in there was tough. I'm hoping that it goes back in easier than it came out. I have a bad feeling it's not going to, though. I don't know. Let's see, we're gonna go throw some paint on it, and then I'll see you up underneath this G30 van behind me trying to install this thing. Come on. All right, we're under here. I'm gonna put you on a time lapse because I got music going and I need that to not go crazy. Trying to get this back in. you go, guys. Got the engine mount back in, and you can see there the notch. Definitely notched enough, that's for sure. All right, so that's where I'm gonna end this one. I just wanted to make a quick video to let you know about my mistake, so maybe you don't make it yourself. So we will see you all in the next one. I'm gonna jump back up underneath of this van and start working on the exhaust, finally. So I have Warlock dyno and tuning coming tomorrow, so I need to get an exhaust on this thing, get the fuel injectors back in, fuel rail in, a few small things, and we're gonna start the tuning process on this thing. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that kind of good stuff. And until next time, we'll see you all later. Come on.
Well, bye.